just a UFO disguising himself as an airplane. Did you guys just see that blip of white light under my left on his right? That's another one of them. Super intelligent beings able to disguise themselves as any form of human technology. I wish I had those skills. You see that light is blinking. You see that, guys? Confirmation that that is not an airplane. There's small things these interdimensional beings do to let you know and give you confirmation it's not some man-made object. All right, there he goes again. Let me try to block this light. There he goes again. Look at that. You guys can clearly see that. He's headed this way. I wonder what he looks like up close. He's getting closer. Don't worry about my hand. Gotta block this bright light. Okay.